It's time for the Christmas family dinner 2016 at Abara House. I guess this is the grand finale of the Christmas activities. You see my children, my wife, my kids in the dining room, ready? For dinner. This is gonna be we're trying to move away from all these overpowering turkey meals and that kind of thing. So we are keeping it.
You guys try not to get your clothes dirty. I'm assuming Daddy didn't take any pictures yet, yeah?
We're gonna take pictures after we eat dinner. We're gonna take pictures.
A nice picture of all of you kids posed like the Kardashians in front of the Christmas tree.
Keeping up with their monsters. I love it. I love it. I love it. We love it. This is a young, I'm gonna say soldier. Of course, that's my beautiful wife right there. Barista's Ball. Back in the late 90s at the University of Pittsburgh School of Law. My wife's standing right over there. I'm coming. Since I am the designated photographer for the house, that's the entrance to my study. Now the Christmas presents have been Evacuated? All right. That is the gorgeous Gianna. America. Sachi.
So it can bubble up in your nose and then your nose is getting infected.
Rosie, Ike. And that is the Zena.
I mean, I'm just like waiting